I'll be going over question 15 from sample Midterm C. This question covers the topics on regression. So we are asked the following: which of the statements are true? So let's go through step by step each one. So number one, it's the slope of the LSR line always has the same sign as the correlation. This statement is true. So in order to verify this, I'm going to write down a few formulas. So you don't have to remember these formulas. They'll be given to you on the exam. It's x, s, y. So recall that the equation for the least squares regression slope is our correlation times a standard deviation of our response variable over the standard deviation of our explanatory variable. So I'm going to plug R into here. So I'll be left with multiplied by sy over sx. We can see that sy's cancel. So I'll be left with 1 over n minus 1 sx squared, so variance of my explanatory variable. So we see here for this portion of the equation, this will always be positive because variance, any value squared, is going to be positive, and then n minus 1 cannot be negative, so that will be a positive number. And then the product of the deviations between our explanatory and our response variable can either be positive or negative. It all depends on whether or not it's positively correlated or negatively correlated. So if it's positively correlated, as x increase, y also increases. Likewise, if it was negatively correlated, it would be every small value of x corresponds to a large value of y. So here this could be, so this would be when it's positive, and this would be when it's negative. So positive times positive is positive, positive times negative is negative. So B1 always has the same sign as the correlation, so this is true. Number two, the LSR line is a line that minimizes the sum of residuals. This is false. It should be the sum of squared residuals. And then number three is false as well. The LSR line does not maximize the value of R. So this is false. So the only correct answer here should be A, which is only 1.